How to draw an X in a box without retracing. Hey, learn how to draw Hub Crew, so let's start by folding over a small piece of our paper. Very nice. Now, we're going to go over to the left side and we're going to start making the top left point of our box. We're going to go to the paper that we just folded over, and then we're going to go straight down. From here, we're going to go left and to the very first corner of which we started. Great job! All done connecting your point. Now let's go ahead and move this paper underneath of us. From here, we're going to make a diagonal line which will connect to the bottom point. Wow, folding over that piece of paper really helped. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw an X in a box. Let me know what other challenges you want to see me do. Also, be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this. Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.